Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keisha Anulika. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to comment as well. Today I'm gonna bring to you a DIY video, basically how to turn your fall decor into Christmas decor. Sorry for the glasses, I know it's glaring and everything, but what we're working with today. I just wanted to do this little introduction and then get into the DIY. And for my channel, and I know I'm going in and out, I do want to do DIY. I want to do hair, makeup. Reason why I do want to do like home DIY is because I did move into a new home. So therefore it's kind of like I want to do, you know, kind of home stuff, you know, because when you move into a home and you become a homeowner, it's kind of like, you know, you start to get into that interior design, home decor, you act like you know what you're doing kind of attitude and whatever. So you guys go ahead and enjoy.
Okay, so this is my fall decoration that I already have. So I have this kind of lantern cage thing. I don't even know what you call those, but I got that from Burlington. I got the pumpkin from At Home, and those were the two pricey items. I do have this tray, clear glass tray I got from the dollar store. The grass moss kind of thing is from the dollar store, and so are the other ornaments. These ornaments here I got from I got the trees from Walmart, the house from the dollar store, these beautiful little ornaments from Walmart. I'm sorry, from Joann's. Those were like $1. An LED candle from Walmart, and this frosty snow, fake snow from Walmart as well. So I tried to keep everything under like $3 to $5 a piece, except though for the fall decor, the pumpkin and that lantern holder cage thing was expensive. So I'm gonna take off the pumpkin, remove the fake cranberries, and remove the candle holders. I want to kind of adjust the green moss. I want to take my hotel ornament, and I'm putting in an LED candle in there so it can illuminate. That's just how the ornament goes. Actually, didn't know I got a colorful LED light. It just so happened to be colorful, and I kind of like it. It looks like having a party in there. So I took these trees that I'm so glad that I found, and I just wanted to basically place it around the hotel, make it look like it's an actual, you know, like space, like an area, somewhere that you'll actually see driving down the street. I found even more smaller Christmas trees when I went to the dollar store, because when I found this I was like, dang, there's trees at the dollar store. But I was like, you know what, let me just get these. They're a little bit lighter than the other ones, but I kind of like it because it kind of adds a little bit of a color or dimension to it. So just placing it all around. And you have to really kind of dig it in there so that it doesn't tip over. I also found this cute little signage that says Merry Christmas on it, something that you'll see outside of either a house or, in this instance, a hotel. And then I'm just going to place the same cranberries that I had from my fall decor and just placing it around the plate as before, because the whole point is to recreate what you had before and then making it something new. So I'm going to take these beautiful glitter and silver ornaments, placing them at the bottom of the tray area. And the reason why I chose gold and silver is because that's kind of like my metals in my household. And I'm gonna take the snow, fake or faux snow, whatever you may have, but I'm just basically gonna sprinkle it around like it's snowing. So I just sprinkle it all around like I'm putting some cheese on pizzas, you know, Italiano, something like that. But I'm just sprinkling around, and the reason why I'm just doing it like that is to make it seem like it's kind of snowy, you know, that kind of have that effect. I don't know if it even mattered. So after I looked at it, I kind of was like, let me create kind of a roadway to the door. So I kind of scooped it out a little bit and then put the more snow as if it snow covered up a sidewalk. So I was like, let me do that. I thought it was really cute. So I'm going to take my lantern thing and I'm actually going to create like a frosted window pane. So I want to kind of dab the paint and kind of stipple it onto the lantern. Y'all comment down below and please tell me what the real name for this is because I don't even know. So I'm just going to stipple it all around to create like a frosted window pane, or as if the snow kind of froze onto the lantern. And I just wanted to get it in the direction of like as if the snow was falling down on there. I didn't want to put it everywhere because that's not as realistic, I guess. So let's do that. Put it basically on every corner. And I didn't originally want to paint this, but I was like, let me just paint it, you know, because I was like, oh, I could use this again for fall, but I was like, let me just use it again for my Christmas decor. So that's the final look of it. It's really cute. Looks like it's frosted. Looks like it's been in the snow, been in some ice. I took some more of the faux snow, put it on the inside of the lantern, took my LED candle, put it in the lantern, and put some more ornaments on the inside. I put my silver, then I also have a kind of a pine cone one. You know, just kind of switch it up, kind of change it up a little bit. And then I put the gold at the top. I really just stuck it up there. Eventually it fell a little bit, but I just kept kind of sticking it up there and it stayed. Really. So I just wanted to put some more of that ornament vegetation around there. Put the cranberry in there. Take the gold candles that I originally had and then just replace them with some white candles I got from the dollar store. And there you have the first part of the fall to Christmas decor. And there's the finished look. So I'm really proud of it, really happy about it. It's like taking what you already have, changing it into something brand new. Super cute, super excited about it. And I love when the lights are dim. You can see it you can see the hotel illuminating. You can see the LED candle illuminating, and it's really fun. It's really cute. It's just like a DIY that you just love. But anyway, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I appreciate you for sticking around and watching this video. Hope you learned something new. Go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, like, and also share this video. And I will see you guys later. And y'all have a wonderful and happy holidays.